Okay, so for question 10, we've got a few steps to follow through. So we'll just take it one at a time. So the first thing we want to do is make sure our two equations look like they're the same type of equation. So what I mean by that is, if we look at the y's, see the y is on the left-hand side here, and it's on the left-hand side here. So we're okay, left-hand side of the equal sign, I mean. But if we look at the x term, this one is on the right-hand side, and this one's on the left. So we want to change that, like we don't want them to be on different sides. So what we do is with this first one, let's get the x onto the left-hand side. So what I mean by that is, let's get rid of the x bit from the right-hand side. So to do that, we take 2x from both sides, like that. So we're left with negative 2x plus y, because if it doesn't have a sign in front of it, it's the same as a plus, equals negative 6. Alright, so we'll make this our equation 1, this first one, and we'll make this our equation 2. So because now the x's line up, the y's line up, and the numbers line up. So our first step is to check whether our numbers in front of the x's or in front of the y's are the same. So if we look in front of the x's, we have a 3 and a negative 2, so those don't match up. But if we look at the y's, well, a minus y is the same thing as a minus 1y, and a plus y is the same thing as a plus 1y. So the numbers here do actually match up. So we don't actually have to convert any of these equations to different equations. We just have to use the ones we have, because the numbers match up. So if we have a negative 1y and a positive 1y, how would we get rid of that y? How would we eliminate it? Well, what we need to do is we need to add them together, because when we do minus y plus y, they'll disappear. So what we need to do is we do 3x